Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on a Lexus all-weather floor mats. So I'm going to give you an example. This one is on the Lexus ES350. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos. I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Today I decided to do a video on the Lexus floor mats. This example is on the Lexus ES350. So you could actually have different models at different formats you could buy, and these are OEM from Lexus. So this particular one has these large suction cup type of grabbers, but that goes on the top. But the thing that you really want to look at is these little things that poke into the carpet. So that makes the floor mats stick to the carpet, so it doesn't slide. And also you want to put the clips in very careful and make sure it's in a locked position like I have over here. And the thing that unique about this Lexus floor mat that I'm doing the video on is you can see all those grooves and stuff that they actually grab the dirt from your shoes and such. And if you have liquid spilled, you drop some soda or something like that, hey, it's protected. It doesn't slide all the way out. And make sure you secure the clips. You can see the position of the clips is pointing upward. Do not place on top of existing floor mats, of course, because you don't want to put anything that would make a slide, and you want to not get into the acceleration gas pedal as well too. So make sure you secure these floor mats. I recommend you use the OEM floor mats because they went through a lot of testing. You probably remember a number of years ago, Toyota had this gas pedal stuck. Well, it's the floor mats that were causing the issue. So make sure you secure the floor mats. This is the OEM one. This is from the passenger side. Of course, they still have the warning thing. Passenger side, install and secure with clips, and also do not put on top of other floor mats as well. But the passenger side, and it also has these nice grooves. They're really it stands out on these floor mats. And you also have the ones that poke into the carpet. They're really nice in holding the floor mats. The ones on the bubble on the top, just for looks, I guess. It doesn't really do that much except the one that grabs into it. And the one that really impressive is these floor mats that I bought for my vehicle over here. And you have the nice grooves and such. So make sure the white floor mat goes into the right position. There's a driver one, and the other one is the passenger one. So that's something to note when you're purchasing floor mats. Don't cheap out and buy the cheapest one that will slide. Could be a danger when you're driving. I know there are a lot of cheap floor mats on eBay or Amazon. Just be wary about that. Little things that may count, like this one in the back. You have these edges and stuff like that. They're pretty much tied down. So if you spill something, the liquid stays within the floor mat. It doesn't slide all the way out. And this one has the things that poke into the carpet as well. I've seen some that, it just doesn't have any traction into the carpet and it just moves. So, and you get a better picture of that, it has all the different parameter all sticks out a little bit. So, and these are great formats. I recommend you take a look at these for your particular model. If you have a GS, it's a different format. RX is a different format. LX is a different format, of course, and the LC probably has different formats. But always look at a OEM one. Hope this video helps you out. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.